Unlock hidden crypto treasures and boost your Binance earnings with the Rewards Hub. First, let's find the Rewards Hub. Open your Binance app or go to the Binance website and log in. Hover over the profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the website, or tap it in the app. In the drop-down menu, you'll see Rewards Hub. Click or tap on it to enter a world of crypto goodies. Here, you'll see all available rewards, like trading fee rebates, coin vouchers, and other exclusive bonuses. Each reward has its own terms and conditions, so be sure to read them carefully before claiming. Pay close attention to the expiration dates and any specific requirements for redeeming each reward. You don't want to miss out on free crypto. To claim a reward, simply click the claim button. The reward will then be added to your account. Some rewards, like trading fee vouchers, will be automatically applied when you trade. Others, like coin vouchers, may need to be redeemed manually. By actively using the Rewards Hub, you can significantly enhance your trading experience and potentially increase your overall portfolio value. If you have any questions about reward expirations, transferability, or anything else, check the facts section within the Rewards Hub. Start exploring the Binance Rewards Hub today and maximize your crypto earnings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Binance tips and tricks. #Binance Rewards, #Crypto Incentives.